How to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, of course, you should have your PayPal account and Payoneer account. And all you have to do is simply link your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. Or let's just say they should have the same details in order for you to send and receive money from either PayPal, Payoneer, PayPal. So first, you have to go to your wallet and make sure that you have a bank account here. So you have to link a card or bank. Then once you have your card or bank linked to your PayPal, you will see here information such as routing number and account number if you're living inside US. So how are we going to get this routing number and account number if you want to send money from PayPal to Payoneer? So now all you have to do is simply go to Payoneer, and if you don't have a Payoneer card, then you can open a Payoneer card. If you don't have a bank account, then you can go to bank accounts and open a new one. Once you have your bank account here, and then what you want to do is to just simply go to get paid and then go to receiving accounts. Okay, so you can see here you can create a bank account. But once you have created one, then you can get paid, and then here you will see options such as receiving accounts. Okay, so all you have to do is just type the receiving accounts, and then here you will see all of the bank account that can receive a money, especially from your PayPal. So what you want to do is to select a bank account, for example, US. Now what you're going to do is to just simply copy this routing and paste it to your PayPal account. Also, with the account number, paste it to your PayPal account. Then you can do that to your other receiving accounts here. So all you have to do is just simply get the information here from your Payoneer and then paste it to your PayPal or link it to your PayPal. And that way you can send money from your PayPal to your Payoneer account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.